Towering peaks, sacred landscapes, hidden wonders. Japan's mountains aren't just breathtaking. They're deeply woven into the country's culture, history, and way of life. From the legendary Mount Fuji to the untouched beauty of the Japanese Alps, these peaks have inspired poets, warriors, and wanderers for centuries. Today, we'll explore Japan's most iconic mountains, their spiritual and cultural significance, the best places to hike, ski, and explore. Ready to embark on a high-altitude journey through Japan's mountain wonders? Let's go! First, we begin with Japan's most famous peak, Mount Fuji. Standing at 3,776 meters, 12,389 feet, Fuji isn't just a mountain. It's a national symbol, appearing in art, literature, and even on Japan's currency. But did you know? Fuji is an active volcano. Its last eruption was in 1707, and scientists still monitor it closely today. Hiking Fuji. Climbing season runs from July to early September, attracting thousands of climbers each year. The Yoshida Trail is the most popular route, leading to a breathtaking sunrise from the summit. Best viewing spots. If climbing isn't your thing, you can admire Fuji from Lake Kawaguchi, perfect for those mirror-like reflections. Chirado Pagoda, a picture-perfect blend of nature and culture. The Shinkansen, catch a fleeting glimpse from the bullet train between Tokyo and Kyoto. If you're looking for rugged wilderness, Japan's Alps deliver big adventure and breathtaking scenery. The Japanese Alps are divided into three ranges. Northern Alps, Hida Mountains, home to Kamakochi, a stunning alpine valley. Central Alps, Kiso Mountains, rich in history and hiking trails. Southern Alps, Akaishi Mountains, remote, rugged, and perfect for serious climbers. Must-visit destinations. Kamakochi, Japan's Yosemite, famous for crystal-clear rivers and jaw-dropping peaks. Tateyama-Kurobe Alpine Route, travel through a 20-meter-high snow corridor in spring. Jigakudani Monkey Park, watch wild snow monkeys soak in hot springs. Pro tip: not into hiking? You can still experience breathtaking views by taking cable cars and ropeways to some of Japan's best mountain lookouts. For a truly mystical experience, head to Yakushima, a remote, mountainous island covered in primeval forests. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to some of the oldest trees in the world, including the legendary Jomansugi, estimated to be over 7,000 years old. Why you should visit Yakushima? Walk through ancient forests straight out of a Ghibli movie. Experience one of the rainiest places in Japan, earning it the nickname the Island of Rain. Encounter wild deer and monkeys roaming freely. Fun fact: Yakushima's misty forests inspired the landscapes in Studio Ghibli's Princess Mononoke. Mountains in Japan aren't just for adventure, they're also sacred places of worship. Three of the most sacred peaks are Mount Koya, Koyasan, a spiritual retreat home to ancient temples and monks. Mount Hiei, birthplace of the Tendai Buddhist sect, offering panoramic views of Kyoto. Mount Osaraisen, often called Japan's gate to the underworld, known for its eerie beauty. If you want to experience Japan's spiritual side, consider doing a pilgrimage trek through these mountains for a glimpse into the country's ancient traditions. From the snowy peaks of the Alps to the mystical forests of Yakushima, Japan's mountains are truly nature's masterpiece. Which mountain would you love to explore first? Let us know in the comments. If you love discovering hidden gems in Japan, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Japan Hacks, turn on notifications for more insider travel tips. Thanks for watching. See you at the summit.